Okay, go ahead, Sean.
As I said, I'm gonna start like texturing from now.
Oh, they're
like,
gonna show us your
for today.
models.
Okay, yeah. Just a second. It's gonna take some time.
Sean, this is what I'm concerned. This is what makes me a little concerned. It's because you told me 23 hours. Remember?
Yeah, actually, yeah, dude, I'm not spending. I was not able to spend that much time.
No. I mean, I thought you meant 23 hours. Like, I didn't even mean like an actual 23, like separated. I thought you meant like 23, like you'll have it done like in a day. You know what I mean? Kind of thing. Like, doesn't make any sense.
Okay, Sean, she thought you'll be spending 23 hours in work. Or did you mean a day? Like, was that what you
Yeah,
meant?
like if I say like 24 hours, it doesn't mean I'm really gonna be working. Doesn't make
It's like in total. It's like in total.
like in total 23 hours.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, good. So you know what? I want you to clock these hours though, so we can make sure to tell Battis about the average of how many hours each model is going to take though. You know what I mean? Because obviously,
Okay, yeah.
does it make any sense?
Yep.
Because each hour, obviously, so that mean that will give us this right here will give us ample time to realize how much we're going to probably need, right? This will probably give you a good scope of how much time you might need for a certain project, right?
Okay, I need permission to share my screen.
Okay, but real quick, Sean, time is still of the essence. So do you think if we brought in someone else to help you, maybe go by a little bit faster, or you still have
No,
to-
actually, the problem is like we have like Tarun finished his exams and we are gonna have our exam soon. So that's why I'm not able to like do it at a stretch and like put my entire time over here.
No, that's
And
fine. That's fine. I
and
just want you
then
guys to tell me that. though.
yeah, and yeah, recently from a week, like I was not, my mind was like a bit stressed out.
Okay, that's fine. I understand that. Just communicate with me. That's all. Because then, like, I mean,
Yeah.
because when Battis is asking me, like, what's up, to have progress, like, you know how he is. You know, I don't really know what I just need to know what's going on. Are you okay? Like, everything's cool, stress wise.
Yeah, everything is cool. Yeah.
You're under a lot of pressure. I understand. It's understandable. Look what a great job Sean did, by the way, guys. He did a great job on this. He showed me pictures. So
Okay, so
yeah.
what's going on over here is, see, I have the base of the building done.
What was that?
So I think it's Eli.
Elisha. He's here.
Is that Eli?
Yeah, that's me.
Eli, real quick, we'll get with you in just a minute, okay?
Okay.
We're just doing these, we're going over our models that Sean made right now. So go ahead. Okay. That looks
So
great.
yep. So like the most of the outer stuff, like 90% is done. You can consider it as full. I should just UV and put the textures over here. And then for the room, for the roof, it is going to be something like this. I showed you a picture, but here is the roof. It's an exact copy of what they
Great
had.
detail. Wow, the detail on that is amazing, guys. Like, guys, what do you guys think? That's pretty great, huh? You did a good job.
No, it's gonna look even more better when I apply the textures.
But I mean, it
So-
looks great now. T, what brush? What do you guys think? Compliments, probably looks good, huh?
Yeah, he showed this yesterday. Dude.
Oh, but then fuck, where was I?
Dude, I just sent you a screenshot today, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't get really see it up close or whatever. That's nice.
And then just a second.
Ooh, you have a lot going on there. What is that? That's India?
No.
That's Kadugudi.
Oh, okay. Where's that? I have no idea where that is. Oh, this is where you're modeling. Okay, cool. So what about the shadows and stuff like that?
So but these, I just replicated this slide and that is over here.
Oh, great job. Wow.
So what I'll do is I'll just like duplicate this all around.
Wow, great job, Sean.
See that? Yeah.
Yes, very good job.
So yeah, not much of a work pending from my side, like textures to be done. And
how are we feeling? Are we confident about optimization, Rush?
Yeah, this is like totally optimized, and it is like it's gonna be very much optimized for their thing spoke.
Perfect. Now, why was it that we had trouble like with the shadows like last time, but this time we think we'll be okay? Do you think is it because we coded it last time?
No, it's because last time we did it and this time we are not started it yet, and then we are doing it in Spoke. Spoke was much more like, what to say, I think better than our code 3Js.
So we should.
I'm not sure about Spoke.
No, that's fine. It's okay to have your opinion. That's fine. Your opinions are good because it helps us improve. Raj, do you think we should have used Spoke maybe?
So Spoke, it's an open source tool. Like I have no idea how the support is for them. So C4D and this one Maya, right? These are paid software. So they have companies which are backing those softwares up. But Spoke is open source. Like I have no idea
Open
how it
source,
uses it on.
open source is more powerful than paid software any day of the week.
Yeah, it is, dude. Like, but the support, I
I'm
don't.
not
I don't
blaming
know.
you, Roche. I'm just asking. Like,
Not blaming it.
next time, should we use Spoke then if we get like an all 3D project like that has? Should we?
All 3D project, yes, we can do that. We can try it out. Like I don't guarantee you that it's gonna be good or like how the result is gonna be. We can do that if you want. We can
Okay.
use for complete
For a
3D because
website.
it's no completely 3D, like this kind of work. What you're doing now.
Like the Madden, like our last project, the virtual world project. Like could
Virtual world. Okay, for virtual world we
Could-
can't use it, dude.
we couldn't use Spoke on our last.
No, we
So
couldn't use it. It's
What-
just another software, dude. Like Blender, what Sean showed you now. It's just
okay.
for building scenes.
So
Yeah.
what was the new 3JS language again? What was it?
A React 3 fiber. That's what I use for the website, and it's really good, dude. It's
Okay,
very
that's-
optimized.
So that's considered like. So do you think? So I'm just asking you. Do you think if we would have started with that and used that throughout, which this is a complete honest mistake, I understand. It's not even a mistake really, because you can use 3GS too. I'm just saying, like, if we would have used, do you think the new 3GS standard? Do you think that it would have been a lot more smoother? Then
Yeah, dude.
taking
It
as
would have
long
been
as it took.
way smoother.
Okay, so that was okay. Then that's at least we found out what we did wrong and we can fix it then, right? So that's good that we
Yeah,
figured that out.
We can do
So
that. Yes.
that's good. Okay, great job, Sean. You did a really good job. So, basically, Eli. Eli, what's up? Eli.
CFK project.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, cool. Do you want to maybe like just like explain to the guys about the project a little bit, or do you have anything to say to them, or because I know that I ended up, what was his name? Augustine.
Augustine.
Yeah, Augustine.
Yeah, Augustine. Okay, Augustine said he wanted to talk today about the project and stuff. But do you have anything now that you want to say to the team, or your thoughts, or now's the time to do it, I guess, or whatever, like your thoughts on the project, and you had like any words, I guess, to say.
Yeah, he just messaged me. He changed his idea. He doesn't want it to be Chrono Trigger anymore. He wants it to
Yeah.
be a different game. It's basically going to be a trading card game where all the trading cards are NFTs.
Okay.
There's gonna for the trading card battles. It's gonna be just an animation.
So he's doing this because he wants something more simple, correct?
Yes, something simple and quick to make.
Okay, what's the rush for him? Why does he want it quick and simple? Like, what's with the quickness? Like, why? I'm just asking just because I need to know like what, like the purpose of the website mostly. I don't really care if he wants to take 3 days or a week. I just want to know like why is there a time constraint?
He didn't tell me. I'll ask him.
Okay. All right. So when do
Okay,
we-
I want to ask one thing, Alicia. So you're telling me that the gameplay is gonna be something like a video, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be like a video.
like do you want it 3D?
No.
Okay.
So how is it exactly gonna be? Like, is it like 2D pictures floating around? Or what is it? How is that exactly being done?
I'm thinking it's gonna be something like Nintendo.
A 2D game like Mario or
game.
something.
Dude, it's a video. Nobody's. Can they play though? No.
No,
I
no,
think
no,
it's
no.
like
He said it's
Clash
gonna
of
be
Clans.
Yeah, not like that. He said it's gonna be automated. All you have to do is just deploy and done.
Okay, Eli, what were you thinking
I
the
don't know.
time needed for this will take?
That's up to you guys. However,
I mean, we still need to, I mean, it doesn't matter if it's a website to take 2 days or a week, like a week or 10 years, we still have to sit down and plan it though, you know what I mean? To make sure everything's correct, like, that's what I'm trying to tell you, so we need to sit.
Yeah, because in blockchain, you I just read it, dude. Like once it's deployed, you cannot modify or delete it unless you own the blockchain.
Eli,
Is that
What
right?
did you
Like,
say?
so if anything's deployed in the blockchain, it cannot be updated or deleted, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, so we'll have to plan it and make sure it's working, like completely working.
That means we need
So
to make sure
that will
everything,
require time
yeah, exactly. We need to make sure everything's completely planned first. Obviously,
because we need time for testing, a lot of time, because we cannot modify it after it's deployed. So that's a really huge problem.
it's not that it's a problem. It's not it's a process. It's not a problem. It's more of like a challenge, which is fine because every website's like that though, correct? Like you have to, or every kind of thing like this you have to test though, correct?
Yeah, but we'll have to be even more careful with this, dude. So our side, if we have a
Absolutely.
problem,
Yeah. Yeah, Eli, what was your just let us know like what you think your I mean, we're just giving you our opinions of like what we think, you know, so like what do you think should be the best way to approach this in the beginning?
Yeah. Like you said, project management.
Yeah,
Where
planning everything out, probably we probably won't need as many people now though, that's good. Can you show us an example here? Can we pull up something right now? Maybe T, do you mind if I do screen share? Can someone please pull up, or I'll pull it up. What is a good example of like what he was, did he give you like an example website or something that he was going for?
yeah, you did. Let me I'll send you a link in a second.
Okay. Can you just tell me, you just know the name of it? I can just Google it or.
Yeah, one of them was Splinterlands, the one we looked at the other day.
Splinterlands is exactly what I've been showing them, like this, guys, like this one, right? This is, I thought this was the whole goal from the beginning, something like this, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, this is like, so basically, okay, so Rush, Sean, Teague, go ahead and give me guys opinions on something like this, please. Like, what are you guys thinking?
Dude, at the first, we need a very good concept artist who makes such 2D images.
Absolutely, we will find somebody.
Yep.
But that's part of the planning process. It's having to basically sit down and figure out how long this is going to take, who we're going to need, how long we're going to need them, you know, having to also stay in the budget too. I mean, a lot goes into the planning part. Then once the planning part's done, then the design will start and then the development will start, and then we'll test and then we'll deploy. So
Okay, I have an idea about like what the drawing is gonna be about the cards, but I have no idea how the gameplay is gonna be, Alex.
well, that's okay. The gameplay, Eli said it's
Because
kind of
he told it's gonna be a video. So should there be animations involved? As that and After Effects, should we rig those 2D characters? So
well, absolutely. Look at this thing right here. I mean, I think that the game definitely.
dude, that's just an image rotating, dude. That's not an animation.
It's not okay, but
It's
when
not
you
a complex
okay, but
thing.
if you were to hop in, you don't think it's going to turn into an animation though, Sean? Like if you were to hop in there or something, you don't think it does more than just this?
No. What I'm trying to say is like this isn't like a hard one. It's just like an image rotating, but I don't have an idea like what Alicia is trying to say about the gameplay is gonna be a video.
Oh, Eli, can you explain to Sean what you mean by video? Maybe
It's automatic.
Eli said it wrong because he's not in graphics. He doesn't really. Maybe he said it wrong. You know, like
It's autoplay.
autoplay. Okay, autoplay. Okay. So, is anyone familiar with that? Rush, T, are you guys familiar with what that means?
So autoplay.
It's
Like,
not
Eli,
alive.
is it like
Yeah.
you select your like what select your power, or how is it? Is it a turn-to-turn game, like a card game? So I play, you'll have to wait, or does it happen simultaneously?
I'm a pop star. Yeah, I love that shit. That's a good
Oh my god.
guys. Eli.
Yeah.
Oh man.
If you was a car, you might want to go downstairs.
Ugh. Guys, okay, so we just, you know what? We're gonna figure this out. How about this, Eli? You leave that part up to us. We'll figure out all this out. Okay, then you know once if we'll figure all that out. Just let us know. We'll figure it out.
I'm about to send you an image. Send it.
T, are you around?
Yeah, I'm there.
If this goes through after, like, if we are gonna start this project, we need to start. I need you to please start after what we talked about, like the planning. We need to start interviewing or finding a good concept artist and seeing how much they would be. They need to obviously probably specialize in characters like fantasy characters like this. You know, probably honestly someone who does like maybe like anime would even be good. Because honestly, these kind of look like little 3D images in a way, don't they? Kind of like, look, like, see all this stuff like kind of like,
No, those are not 3D.
oh, no, where was it? I didn't, where was it? These are flat, but where was the one I just saw? Let me see. These right here, are these 3D? No? Are these 3D? So this looks like this is gonna involve a lot of design, correct? Obviously,
It's gonna involve a lot of concept art.
a lot of concept
Yep.
art. Yeah.
Ooh, just look at those details.
Now we have to eat now. Hey Eli, are you around?
Yes, I'm listening.
So all of these cards, so how many cards minimum are we gonna need to design, you think? Probably like this many, right?
There's probably thousands and thousands of cards, but
Design thousands of cards.
maybe 50.
Okay, but listen, the best way to do that is because let's think about it. Something like this would not be that hard to draw, to be honest with you. You can do that in probably 2 hours. So I'm thinking the best thing to do would be for people, we can put out like an ad to tell people of what we're looking for and that we can buy them off of them. Does it make any sense? So like you can say, okay, we're looking for this kind of concept
Like
art.
Destroy, like the idea you had for Destroy.
Absolutely, yep, the same thing. And we'll have a way for people
We
to
can do that.
submit we'll have a way for people to submit their NFTs to us like this. And then we can tell them that we'll buy them at a price. You know what I mean? Something like that.
Yeah.
But then the thing is, all of these concept art should match the same design thing, basically the same art style. But then
we
if you
can
ask
give them the theme.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. We will give them examples of exactly what we're looking for and tell them that we want this style to match exactly. Okay, and then hopefully out of the people who submit their stuff that they'll understand that concept. But look at this guy. This guy doesn't. What's he doing over here?
Or we can ask him for like some minor changes or something if we like the idea.
Exactly. So usually when you give a graphic artist an idea and you say, look, we want it to look, well, first off, we're going to make sure to find people that are going to do this kind of art anyways. My point being that if you let's say that we put these 4 cards right here on an ad, right? Okay. People, if we say that we want it followed to this exact style and we put like something like, we want it to be a fantasy character that is going to show blah, 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 that usually most of the time the person's going to like say, okay, they're not going to draw like a butterfly, like randomly, like a flat butterfly, like they're going to try to match this art is what I'm thinking. And if not, then we're not going to buy it from them. Does it make any sense? So basically we're just going to hope that, we get enough people that can submit it. It's not rocket science. You know what I mean? If we tell someone to give us a style, hopefully they'll be confident enough to do that. You know what I mean? Does it make any sense? It's really not that hard. Like, I mean, I don't understand, like, T, is that what you're afraid of? That you're afraid that like someone will not understand that they need to make it like this style or something, like that they're not going to get that, or like, what do you mean?
No, I'm not afraid of that. I'm just it's just a thought, because different people have different styles.
So you're saying that only one person should do all of this then?
No. I don't think one person can pull off such a stunt and all.
Nope,
So,
not
Absolutely.
possible.
So then that defeats the whole purpose of saying that you need just the same.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm trying to tell you. We can have multiple people do this, but I think the best way to do that would be to submit like some sort of like ad or something instead of just hiring like. Does that make any sense? I think that. I mean, what do you think, Rosh? What do you think? We can do either one.
That's a great idea because
do-
we'll have.
We could do
This
a
is what we can do.
hackathon.
This is what we can do. We can have our concept artists, okay, and they can start designing their cards. And then in the meantime, we can also have the ad out for people to submit their stuff too, right? So then if we get stuff that is submitted that we like, then great, and we can use that. But then also our concept artists will at the same time be designing their part too. Does that make any sense?
Okay.
You know what I mean, Rush? Does it make any sense? Can you turn that down, Eli, please? I can't hear. Do you understand what I mean, Rush?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, well, tell me like your thoughts. Like, what do you think we should do?
I like the idea of this one, like posting an ad, because there are a lot of people on Discord waiting for jobs. A
Absolutely.
lot of designers waiting for jobs.
Absolutely.
So if they could knock something out, we can talk to them for a price. And Tarun's point made sense. So
It does
if
make
one guy goes away from the art style, but he has a character, like he gets a unique character to the collection, we can ask him, we can ask him, right? Like, this is our art style, like you did it in a completely different way. So these are our examples. If you would match this art style, we would like to work with you, or we would buy yours or something like that. We can talk them out it. Like if they're
Alex,
not
I sent
interested,
you
no
an
problems.
image. I sent you an image of the kind of art style that he wants.
Yeah, where's the image at?
This one Discord.
It's on Discord. Okay, let me look. Oh, cool. Well, then definitely these are, yeah, perfect. This would obviously be more cleaned up because I don't, this is very like, pale. I don't, this would be more cleaned up though, more popped out and brighter, obviously. You know what I mean? Like, because this is kind of like dull looking. But I understand what he's saying. Does he want all animals, by the way? Does he only want dogs, by the way?
No, not only dogs.
How about just animals then only? Or like, is there a specific type of like, because I remember him saying that he wanted dogs or something. So like, is it, we'll talk about that with him, but like we need like some sort of category. Like, will it be dogs, only animals? Will it be like more fantasy, superhero? Like, you know what I mean?
I think it all depends on what kind of game it is.
Well, that's what I was gonna
Because
say
these
too.
are MMOs, yeah.
The best thing to do is obviously the designers, the designers are gonna have to understand the game.
Mhm.
So there is something that explains that. And what I'm hoping that we can do is instead of ripping off this game, I'm hoping we can tweak it up a little bit. And I believe that maybe you could find some unique way to make it different. I'm not saying, I'm not putting all that pressure on you because I think that with all our minds combined, we can do that. But I'm just saying, like, I think that I don't want to completely copy exactly what they're doing. Does that make any sense? Like, I think we should change it up a little bit. Because I mean, what do you guys think?
Makes sense to me.
Yep, but ultimately depends on the client.
No, I know it depends on the client. He even said that he's worried about copyright issues, though, correct?
Yep.
Yeah.
So I mean, and who wouldn't want a unique game? Like if we're able to create a unique game that's along these lines, who wouldn't want that, right?
Yeah.
Again,
Makes sense.
though, you're right. That's completely up to him. That's why I'm gonna have a questionnaire for him to answer these questions. And actually, T, you're gonna have to get on that with me since you're the designer. And you're gonna have to help me like come up with questions for him that you think are appropriate. And then also we're gonna have to decide who we need. We have to interview and all that shit. So basically, it's really not gonna be it's just a lot of art, pretty much. And then Rush, how are you feeling about are you gonna be working with Eli? I think Eli, obviously, you're gonna probably need some help on the back end. I'm thinking. I mean, oh my god, dude. Eli, what? Eli. Okay, what's this?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay, so as far as like your part, you're gonna need help on the back end. Obviously, you can't do it all by yourself. So let's see, battle. Okay, so so you battle. How do you battle? So
You have to buy cards, did I just check that?
Dude, okay, once we design the cards, how is the animation gonna be? Because we are the one who's gonna make it, right? I think we should worry about it.
what the fuck was that?
What were you guys saying?
Rashford had Sean had a question. Go ahead, Sean.
Dude, okay, well, once we made the card, like what is the next? How do you want the animations to be? I'm like really concerned about this because we have to figure out what it is and like what kind of people we need for that, right?
Sean, you're gonna be busy making the models for Batis though. You're gonna be busy working on those though too, probably. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly, dude. But yeah, I just asked it. That's it.
Yeah, because you're gonna be doing all the models for that site. You're gonna be really busy. Do you know how to answer that, Eli? She is creepy.
How to answer what?
Sean, he wants to know about the animations and stuff like that. Is that what you asked, Sean? You want to know about animations?
Can I like you said like
Yeah,
you played the
I
game, right? Can you just show us an example of how the gameplay is gonna be, the animation part?
These are sold out.
Yeah,
Recently,
Alex, look up
yeah.
He wants to see a battle, I guess, is what it is.
Yes.
Splinterlands gameplay. Splinterlands gameplay.
Okay. And oh yeah, there's gonna be music too, by the way, as well, probably like little like sound effects and stuff, which we could do that. You and I could probably make those.
Yeah.
He's seeking energy. There you go. There's your animation, Sean.
What?
I'm just kidding. Boom. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, oh, going for that one. He's picking. He wants to pick the fire guy, living lava, Lord of Fire. He has a lot of fire.
Alex, like, can I share my screen now?
Wait, hang on. It's not even. We're not even doing the battle yet, Sean. Relax. Do you want to see a battle?
Yeah, can you skip
Yeah.
to the battle?
Oh shit! It's getting intense. I love that little boom. There's an animation, Sean. There you go. Boom. Round one. So.
So this is the animation.
Yeah. Snap, crackle, pop. Boom.
Hey, Sean, this cannot be a video, man.
Yeah.
dude.
This is absolutely not a video. Like.
Not a video.
I expected like something different, but fine.
Yeah, that's not a video. This is definitely not a video, but that's fine. I mean, if we can build a virtual, we can do this. That's fine. That's really simple stuff, actually. It's not that hard, right? It's not like, that's not that complicated. Like to make it like fling in each other and go, hoo-yo! Like, you know what I mean? It's not like that.
Like,
You know, like
for a
flinging
second,
each other is not hard, but the logic behind that is gonna be hard for sure.
The logic
Yeah.
behind it,
The logic behind it.
like the
yes.
numbers and shit.
Yeah,
the
like
health
what has to
system,
happen at what time?
the health
That
system,
is
the
hardest
attack
part.
system, all of those.
But that's why we're going to have help. Okay, help us. There's no way that we can't have this done, which is only like, you know what I mean? Like it would take forever to build. Like there's just no
The
way to do it.
logic's not that hard because
The logic would be honestly, you
it
know,
would be
you guys-
simple, dude.
yeah, you guys are smart.
Basically, health and attack. That's it. Nothing else. And a rarity. You'll have a rarity. I just checked their website, so they have the entire laydown of the card. So what each card will have everything. I'll send you the link if you want.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so can you explain that a little bit? So that means that I
I'm
mean,
opening it.
okay, perfect. Let's share your screen,
Yes.
please.
Where is it? Kill health. Shoot it up.
Does he know a name yet? So does he know like a name yet to start branding? Like does he know like for a logo and stuff? Does he know like what he wants to call it?
No, I don't think so.
Call it Crips, Blood and Crips. Just kidding. Crip walk. Teed everyone.
Yeah, I got it.
Rush, what's up? Okay.
Because so this is what data each and every card is gonna have. They're gonna have some mana cost, some stats, a splinter rarity, a name, abilities, level, and experience, and they have definitions for each and everything. So the main thing which we will need is speed, armor, and health. And attacks, we'll need these three. So this is what we need. So this is where the intense calculations are gonna occur when two players are playing. So we'll have to play with this. One guy attacks, we have to reduce their health or their armor, and I don't know what speed. Speed is like what in order character had it. Okay, this is an extra attack. What do you call it? An ability to the character or something, and we'll have to take this into consideration. That's it. So we have the entire logic written down for us. If we go to help.
Okay,
yeah,
so as
look
far
at
as
this, they have the entire thing. It's explained.
is there any way to make it like we can make it like less if we want to make it our own, there has to be a way to make this less complicated. Like not even like less complicated, but it's just there's a lot of attacks. There's a lot of attacks right there. Do you see all those at the bottom? Look at all those.
Awesome.
Let's see at the bottom. Can I see those real quick? Go scroll or go back to like that little list thing.
Okay, this
But
one.
look at all these. What is this?
These are
Stun.
abilities. Not everyone's gonna have them.
Bloodthirst, backfire.
So we are the ones who are gonna design each and every ability, and we can call it whatever you want, and we can take inspiration from these, dude. But this is gonna stay the same.
But it
The
depends if we're
health-
going to copy the game. Because listen, there's a thing called, so we have, for instance,
Okay.
cereal in America. We have something called like,
Mhm.
let's say, I'm sure you guys do too. Fruity Pebbles, right? And Fruity Pebbles is the original, which would be like Splinterland, right? And then we have the knockoff, which is instead of Fruity Pebbles, it's Fruity Rocks. You know what I mean? Which everyone
Yeah.
knows that they're just ripping off Fruity Pebbles. So are we going to
Okay.
basically take the words, instead of making it ranged attack, we're going to call it ranged attack? And are we going to make it like magic attack's going to be like rack
Like, no,
attack?
we can change that, like ability one. We can give names to specific characters
But
if you want them to.
My
but-
point being, yeah, are we gonna make it unique, or are we just gonna like
No,
literally just
unique.
copy everything? Yeah, okay.
Unique.
Not the
But
name.
the logic
the
will be
logic
the same.
unique.
dude. Yeah. The trading card game, like every trading card game has the same logic. They have an attack, they have a health system, and they have extra abilities depending
Why-
on the character.
But why don't we take the idea? Yeah, no, okay.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we can
No,
improve upon
no.
that.
Haven't you guys played? What about that one game you said, Royal Battle? Is Tigon?
Yeah,
Okay,
Tigon.
is there any way that we can think of a way to combine this with maybe another card game or something to kind of like put them in two to make it a little bit more unique? Because this is literally just copying
He spoke about Crash Royale.
Clash Royale. Yeah, because this is literally just copying that game. This will not get any
This
hype
is
at all.
a 3D game, dude. Like,
I'm talking
yeah,
about the concept and the logic, not the design.
Clash Royale is a
Okay.
different project.
yeah.
Okay, I know it's a different project. I'm talking about okay, Eli,
Yeah.
we want to make the game different, unique, because literally, why is anyone going to play this game if it's a ripoff of Splinterland?
It's just gonna have a different theme. People will still play it.
Okay, or
just
do
if
you
it's
want
a
that, or
different
do you want
theme.
that, or do you want us to try to maybe come up with something unique that really gets out there and can make like be a big thing? Because I'm saying that we should take maybe ideas from different games and combine the ideas together. Is what I'm saying. Maybe we can get some inspiration from stuff like Battle Royale and then combine it into crypto the same way as Splinter Cell. Does it make any sense? I mean, why not
I
try?
would
Why
have
not
to-
try? But why not try though, right? I mean, if we can come up with a cool concept and present it to him, why not, right? But if we can't, then we can just stick with copying them.
If you're talking about creating, I'll have to ask him. If he really wants a game that's exactly like the same thing.
Yeah, because
as Splinterland.
Yeah, we can ask him. We'll
because
have to talk.
it depends. Like, do you want to barely skim the surface, like where it's like, oh, some people will play it, or do you want to really try to make something really cool and change people and change things and make something
Yeah,
different,
it would be more fun to create something
right?
innovative and new.
If you're gonna have an opportunity for somebody to fund something that you can be a part of, that can mean that you did something creative and unique, why not? Or you can, of course, you can just settle and go, we can all just settle and go, you know what, let's just make a different theme for Splinterland. Or we can take this opportunity to really do something awesome that people will really enjoy. Because you have to think about that at the end of the day. This is about the clients. This is about people who get on this game and they enjoy playing, right? We want them to have a good experience, correct? Why not just go to Splinterland and play? Why, you know what I mean? That's my point. We could do something really cool. So I'm just saying, I'm not guaranteeing it, but if we can maybe somehow, if we're thinking, we can come up with some sort of unique idea by combining maybe some stuff from Battle Royale and taking stuff from maybe Splinterland and maybe something else and kind of combining it to maybe like one and making something unique and different. Why not?
I hear what you're saying, but either way would be fun because people might play ours versus Splinterlands just because of our different art style.
You know what I would think about Splinterland? I would, you know, if I went on your guys' website, I would think, oh my God, this is a ripoff of Splinterland. That's what I would think.
Yeah, there's always ripoffs in this industry.
Okay, but what is your goal? Is your goal to just try to make a game as quick as possible and make money, or is your goal to try to really do something cool and different? Because that's what it really depends on. If you and your guy are trying to do that, then fine, we can do that 100%. So I just need to know what you guys want. Are you guys just trying to make a game so you guys can just get it out there and then just hope to make some money real quick? Or are you guys just really trying to take this money and this time to really create something different and cool? That's what I need to know. Because once we know that, then we can kind of figure out what we want to do. But like, I understand if you guys just want to do something really quick and just kind of like get it out there, it just depends, I guess, on what you guys want. It's your guys' project. So you just let us know like what you guys are going for, because that's how we'll determine how we were going to approach this. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So just, you know, we can have a meeting with does he want to have a meeting today? 2 or before 2 or whatever. Oh yeah, he wants to talk today. He want to have a meeting, he said last night, right?
Yeah, that meeting was yesterday. I'll talk to him and see what time he'll be available today.
Cool. Okay.
And Alex, this is what you asked for, did. So this is the game which T was talking about, and these are the abilities which they have. They have a speed, range, air, like what type of targets they can attack. There are two types of targets in this game. One is air and ground. So this character attacks both air and ground targets, and this is the hit speed.
I'm not worried about the attacks. I'm worried about the concept.
The concept. So basically, you just go and start attacking. I'll show you the gameplay there.
Who just on? Was that you, Sean?
Eli.
Eli, we can talk to you in a little bit if you're tired. I know you've been
So
stressed
this-
out. Yeah, we can
Yeah,
talk.
so this is basically how it is.
Eli, if you want to, just hit me up and let me know what time for the meeting, okay?
Okay.
Just get some rest or whatever. Or you can stick around and just saying if you're tired, you can get some rest, you know? Like I don't want you to have, I know you've been stressed out and stuff lately, and I don't want you to like you know what I mean? But if you want to stick around, that's cool. But I'm just saying you don't have to.
Yeah, after I'll talk to you guys soon. And after we create the other game, the Splinterlands game, you guys might be interested in making this Clash Royale style, but not like not.
That would be badass, huh, Eli? That'd be really cool, huh?
Yeah, actually good. Yeah.
That would be badass to have
Yeah.
something like this with crypto. But you know what I'm thinking, dude? I'm thinking, why not create something optimized for phones? This is optimized for cell phones, right? It looks like
Yeah,
it.
this
Yeah.
is only for phones.
Okay, that right there, honestly, is a really cool idea because I'm telling you, you can't poop on the toilet with your computer. You
Yeah.
can poop on the toilet with your cell phone. My point being that you can take that thing with you everywhere you go. Okay, like this is something where it's like that's a cool idea. The browser is like everyone's so focused on the browser, but that is so fucking 10 years ago. Like it's all about this. It's all about the self. Oh, by the way, forgot to ask. Does he want an app? By the way, or
He didn't say anything about an
he said in
application.
the browser. He said, so how would we
Yeah.
approach that, Sean Rush? Would this be like how would we optimize this for this to work in the browser as
There's
well?
no 3D, dude, so it will be optimized for any browser. We'll just have to
Yeah, I
take care
think
of
that
SEO. We'll have to take care about SEO, and we'll have to take care of the progressive web app part. Nothing else. It's just gonna be a normal website like any other website, but there are gonna be some calculations which any phone can handle, dude. Any modern phone can handle. No problems with that.
I
Our
think
problem-
that it should be. We should talk to him about this, but I think that it should be an application versus a browser.
That's gonna take longer. I think a progressive web app would make more. Can we do a progressive web app with this Rush?
Yep, we can do that. Yep.
So you
100%.
obviously know what a progressive web app is versus an app or a native app, right, Eli?
Yeah, I know what a progressive web
Oh, I know.
app is.
I'm saying you obviously know. That's what I mean. I know you know that. So I mean, that's what you mean, though, right? You mean like a PWA versus like an app that you get from the like Google Play
Play
Store,
Store or App Store. Yeah.
right?
Okay.
I mean, I'm asking you because they did research and they realized that people are sick of downloading apps and stuff. And honestly, the best example of a good PWA would probably be Twitter. Twitter's a great PWA, and honestly, you just hit like the little button and put save to home screen, and you can just bam hit it, and it opens up, and it's just like a regular app from the game store. It's pretty cool, you know. And you don't have to go through all the stipulations of like Apple and Google Play and like pay all the licensing and all. You know what I mean? It's just a browser friendly version, just like the app would be, but in the browser. Does that make any sense? So that's really up to him what he wants to do. But obviously, regardless, if he wants to do a PWA or a native app, it's going to be more time. Obviously, you know.
Yeah, before you said he wanted to do a PWA. Before you said he wanted to do a PWA.
Okay, PWA is going to take more time, though, right? Obviously.
I have no idea. I'm gonna
It's gonna
it
take
practice.
time in the testing phase, dude, because every phone doesn't every mobile browser doesn't support PWS. We'll have to check that.
There is ways. I'm looking to make sure that it's optimized for every
Browser stack. We'll have to pay for that. We'll have to get that.
That's fine. We'll pay for it then. That's
Yeah,
just
then
part,
fine.
that's part,
Yeah,
that's part
that's
of the
a
budget.
really good
That's
one.
part of the budget. That's why we have to. You know what I mean? That's all part of the budget. Like that's
Cool. Let's do
Yeah.
that. Yes. And Alex, before we take the project, we'll have to write down the entire requirements, dude. We missed that in virtual world.
Yeah. No, we will.
Yeah.
It's just like you
That
know.
was my concern. Nothing else.
Oh yeah. What kind of requirements though? Like, oh, you mean a contract? Yeah, we'll have a lawyer contract.
Yeah, a contract and a requirements copy for the client and a copy for us, like what we are supposed to do. So for
I
the
know
entire budget,
I know
which I give,
expectations. I
yes,
understand.
yes,
Yeah.
expectations, yes.
This guy's
Alright.
a little. This guy's cool. Of course, we're gonna have a contract, but I'm just saying, I don't think you have to worry so much about him versus Baddest. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just saying
Yeah,
that.
I get it. Yeah, we can
Regardless, we're gonna have a contract,
tell
but
the
I'm
way
saying
he
it's a little
talks,
bit
yes.
different. Yeah, he's a little bit different. Cool. Well, I'm excited. I think that this is, sounds like fun. What are your guys' thoughts? Sean, do you have any closing thoughts before we get off here?
No, dude.
Okay, I want to stay. I need to talk to you guys real quick. So, Eli, when do you think the meeting will be? Do you know? Just talk to him and let me know. Okay. Eli.
Yeah, I'll let you guys know.
Okay. Yeah. Hit me up and let me know because they're gonna go to bed right now. So let me know. Let me know when if he wants to have the meeting. So because I need to talk to him obviously, so we can go over I need to go over what he wants, what he's looking. You know what I mean? We need to go over we need to go over the thing he talked about last night. He wants to yeah, all that shit. Okay.
No, still plugged in.
Okay. Bye, Eli. Thank you.
Peace.
Peace. Peace. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Peace, Eli. I'm just kidding. All right. Peace out, Eli. All right. You guys don't say peace there where you guys are, huh?
Yeah, we tell peace.
Peace out.
Yeah, peace out.
I love that. When I first met T, he always told me that. He's like, I love that you guys say peace out. Sean, I'm just looking at your face right now in that picture, and I'm just thinking, what are you thinking in that head of yours right now?
What? What? Sorry, I didn't.
Like in your picture, I love your little profile picture. I'm looking. I feel like you're staring at me with a judgment face right now. What are your thoughts right now? Like, what's up?
Sorry, what are my?
What are your thoughts? And first off, when do you think the bloom's going to be done? Because I understand you're working on a million things right now, but it's how much longer do you think we have on that? Just and after how much our website, guys, how much we have a while left still, or?
I think Jose has done most of his part, dude. So
yeah, most of my
I'm
part, and Tarun's with the design, dude. He's tweaking it a bit. Remember, Alex, we told it's kind of empty. He's tweaking that a bit. He showed me a bit
The
too.
mobile.
He should, yeah, the mobile. Yes, the mobile, and another. You told right. You didn't like the background image of cake over there in the section.
I mean, did you guys like it though? I
Remember?
don't think
No, dude. It was kind of weird. It was too much taken. I told you.
it was. It was just really random. I like the purple though at the bottom.
That's so good. I love it.
I know that was my idea. My idea.
Uh-huh.
Claimed it.
Okay.
Claimed it. So do you guys think that Eli? I mean, I know this guy's pretty serious about this. So if this happens, I mean, Sean, do you think you can play a part in it, or do you feel like what do you feel like your part would be?
mostly I don't think I can play a good part in it, but
Good. I'm happy about that
But-
because we need you for Baddest, honestly. You know what I mean?
yep.
You're gonna be busy with that. So that's good. Honestly, dude, towards the end, I even said, why don't we throw into maybe a 3D anime? I mean, I don't see why we couldn't throw maybe a 3D animation up if they win or something. What's wrong with that? I mean, I know it makes it more complicated, but that would really kind of set the part.
See, even if we are making anything 3D, we just can't put 3D in there. It's more to we just can't assure them we can do in 3D because we just have one project and we faced a lot of issue over there. And then if it is 3D, we have to make a render of.
What does that have to do with anything, Sean? Our last project failing? What do you mean? So you think that because we failed on our last project, it means we're gonna always fail?
No, it's not like that, but we still did not figure out the limitations of the browser. Can you disagree with that?
I mean, I think that obviously, so you're saying that you're afraid for us to do another 3D project, pretty much.
For a website, yeah, I'm afraid. I'm afraid.
Roche, what do you feel about that? I feel like Roche said that he found kind of a workaround to fix our problems.
But not for a game, dude.
See, dude, okay, for a game, right? I
Game,
would
no.
ask, see, if I'm a 3D guy, I'll ask the devs this question: how much polys, what kind of texture resolution you need, and for the frame, what is the poly count? In gameplay, what should be the max poly count? If the dev is able to answer this, Yeah, we are pretty much ready to go, but I don't think we have a right answer for that now.
Okay. Well, I just
And
hate,
moreover,
I don't know. I just hate that we're saying that we're a 3D browser company though, but like we're saying this. Just
yeah,
like, why are we keep claiming that's what we do then?
dude, but actually a game is a bit too much for the browser. That's what I
I
think.
know, but I'm feeling like what we did on virtual world would be pretty. I mean, you have to understand something. Like the game doesn't have to be. I think the virtual world, honestly, project was a lot more detailed than what this game's even would be, almost, because like we put a lot of texture and detail into that website. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm surprised is it still running okay, by the way, guys? The website?
No, dude, they just
Yeah,
took it down. They just
What?
took it
they're
down.
redirecting to their like what is that space.metaverse. You go to tryspace.com now, they're redirecting it to space-metaverse.com. So that's what they're
Why
doing.
though? Because
I
it
don't
sucks.
know. I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Like, why would they do that though? Is it because it sucks? Like, why are they redirecting it? So that means that they're getting rid of our design.
Yep.
Yeah. Looks like that.
That's an embarrassment, guys. God
Yeah.
damn, like what the why? Like I don't like was it running shitty?
Like it's completely fine on our systems and even on this one, dude. We tried it in a lab and it was not that good. It was a bit laggy because the computers in our computer lab are very low. It worked fine over there, but on a Surface laptop, like when you told that it doesn't work on a Surface laptop, I'm like,
See,
what?
Alex, this is what I'm talking about. We are not sure like who our target audience is, like which PCs are able to run and what is the limit. If we find this, yep.
Because this is not a hard task. This would take some research. I mean, it's not like it would take some community asking. It's not like it's a challenge that I don't know why we should have something so small define our entire existence as a company. I mean, we're trying to decide what laptops can handle what optimization. That's really the challenge. Like, I mean, what's it even matter though? Like, how would like let's say that one can handle one and one can handle the other. How could we have done something differently than next time to make sure that?
So like we have to like first find the audience, dude. Like if many people are having a really good PC, that website is fine. But if the target audience are not having that good PC and like it's not able to run, like that is a problem, right?
But how good
Yep.
though? Like, what's because I have an i7. Mine's a 2015 MacBook Pro. And
But you
even,
said you had like fan issues. It was the fan was just running so fast.
Throttling.
I think I was doing the. Why do you think the fan went on? Because it was
No, dude, I don't have an answer. for that.
overheating. It was overheating. That's why.
Okay, but on
Yep.
my i3, like what dual core Windows laptop, it's completely fine. It doesn't overheat or something. I don't know why.
When I go on our
No,
website, my fan's gonna explode. By the way, I'll show you guys. Can you guys even hear my fan? I don't even know if you guys can even hear my fan, but I'm gonna show you. Mad.com.
Madempty.com.
I know Sean on her website. What the fuck does this mean?
you just typed caps lock instead
Typo.
of A.
Oh shit. Okay. Well, just stupid things blocking everything. Oh my gosh. Wow, you stupid Splinterland. What the fuck? I don't care about you, Swirl. Okay, here we go. What the fuck? Okay, here we go. Mad Empty. Madempty.com. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna record on my phone what it sounds like. So here we go. And I have a MacBook Pro, by the way. Can you guys hear that?
Nope.
No, dude. Like,
It's getting worse. Just listen.
nothing, dude. I can't hear anything.
Okay, I just recorded that on my phone. I'm gonna send it to you guys. Hopefully you guys can hear the fan. Yeah, and it's getting higher right now. It's getting worse and worse and worse. I think it's getting even higher right now.
Mhm.
Dude, now you guys don't hear that? You guys don't hear my fan.
No, we are not able to hear it.
Noise cancellation mic, dude. Macs have a noise cancellation mic.
Hang on. Here we go. AirDrop. AirDrop. You know what AirDrop is on iPhone and Apple?
Yeah, to share files from your
Yeah.
Mac to your iPhone or vice
My
versa.
favorite. It's my favorite part. I would think that like a MacBook Pro could handle like I don't know. Why is it like that? Why is my fan doing that? Why does it sound the same as Virtual World or whatever? Is it the model? Like what is it, dude? Like what is it? You think it's the code? I mean, did we use 3GS on this? I don't care because we just started this. This was our first. This was our first time doing this. Of course, we're gonna make mistakes, guys. I'm not putting anybody down. I'm just trying to understand so we can fix it. Like,
Okay, can you open this one? I
open
can
what?
send you the link. The latest one, which we have currently.
The latest one. So this one isn't the latest.
No, no, not that. Not that.
Okay.
The one which we were working on.
Oh, our website. Oh, you mean our new website? Okay.
Yes. Got the link. Yeah, that's the link.
Where's the link at?
Zoom chat.
Oh, okay. Where's the chat? John Doe. Oh, where's the chat? I don't have it. Where's it? I don't know where to go.
On the top or bottom.
You see my screen right now?
Yes,
Where's
but we
it?
can't see the Zoom controls, dude. We can't see the Zoom controls. You'll have to stop sharing for that. Can you stop sharing and click on the link now?
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm just stupid.
Yeah, and share again if you want.
Oh wait, shit. You can see?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, okay. Let me take off the other one.
Yeah, close the other one.
No, I have to do this again. Oh shit. There we go. Fudge. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm like losing it, man. Where's the stupid chat? I don't understand. Oh, stop sharing. Stop sharing. Okay, boom. Let's see. My computer is still okay. Still, fan's still going.
Dude, why don't you send her the link on Discord?
It's okay. It doesn't. It should be handled on Zoom. It's okay. I don't know why Zoom's doing that. Okay, so here, share screen. Now, can you guys see?
Yep.
Yep. Scroll down.
My fan's still going for some reason.
Okay.
Let me see something real quick. Let me see.
Just scroll down, Alex. Like you can see the.
Can you show the
animations.
animation? Like, is it lagging or something? Can you tell us that?
Oh, it's great. We should not have to scroll this far to get down to this little,
Yep.
little visual. This is amazing.
Yeah, the bloom's coming over there. So
Okay.
just
I love that though. You did a great job, Sean.
Is it smooth? Like
You
I
too,
want
Josh. Yeah. No, it is, but my fan won't turn off though.
fans not turning.
So let me
on.
see what's making it. Let me see what's making it do it. Let me see what's making
sure.
it do it. What I have to turn on, it's called
Do you have like this one?
have what?
It's called Task Manager on Windows.
Task manager. Yeah, I do. It's called oh, which one is it? It's called what would it be called like for Mac? It would be called like Mac Task Manager.
iTask.
Mac Task Manager is any version.
I-
Activity Monitor. Yeah, that's what it's called. Activity Monitor. Okay, so ACT. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to share right now my screen with you guys, and let's check this out. So my computer is still. Look at my computer right now.
Yep.
It's Firefox. It's the website.
Okay, that's consuming
Close. Can you close
77% of. Oh my
No?
god.
So I just close Firefox.
Okay, Zoom.
The Firefox is above Zoom.
Mhm.
It's still going. Look at my system. Like, why is it at 90?
It's Zoom, dude. Look at that. 69%, 65%.
And what was freaking Firefox then, man? That's crazy.
Okay, wait. I'll send you the link in Discord. Just open it.
Okay. We already sent
Shall
that.
I sent a DM? Yeah, that one.
You think it's Firefox? Did we have problems with Firefox last time? I love that little ME. I love it. I love it. But these little trails, I don't
But
understand.
yeah, we'll have to fix that. We'll fix that.
Oh, Firefox gone up.
Before you move on, can you show activity monitor?
Yeah.
One more.
And this is an i7 processor.
Okay, 30%, not bad. But Zoom's taking 70.
Because she's sharing a screen, right?
No, that's good.
Oh, qubit torrent.
Okay.
That's my torrenting.
Oh shoot, it's recording. You'll have to cut it, dude.
But cut what? I'm in America. I'm allowed to do that. Okay, go. You can torrent in America as long as it's not illegal. All right, so go ahead. So what else?
Yeah, nothing much. Can you show the website now? Is it laggy? How is it?
Firefox is only at how much percent? Oh, it's only 2.7. Okay,
Yeah.
but my fan said Zoom then. That's why my fans do that, huh? But I mean, I'm telling you though, dude, without Zoom though, I'm telling you, it still does that even on
Okay, can you just scroll to the animation part and then show the activity?
Yeah. You did a good job, Sean. I love this. I mean, Rush too. You guys both did.
Yep.
Activity monitor now.
46%.
Okay. Yeah, GPU is kicking in.
What are we doing
90.
wrong about optimization? Like what are we doing wrong? It's not us,
Okay.
it's the web, isn't it? It's not-
Around 30, it's good, dude. Around 30 is good. When it hits 40, we'll have to do something about it.
Dude, what is
It's 30
Firefox CP?
But imagine if I had another stuff open in my browser though. And some people like don't ever close their tabs either. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Just what
It's
is that
the only thing
Firefox
open.
CP?
Firefox? What? Oh,
Web content, right? Web content. Oh, yeah, what is it?
68.
Oh shit, that's not good. That's this, isn't it?
Yeah, what?
Wait,
think so,
wait. Zoom is taking 84%, and how can Firefox take 73%?
That makes
Good
sense.
Doesn't.
point. That's a good point.
I don't think that's percentage. That's something else.
Maybe. Alex, wait. Can you move Firefox on? Where's the GPU? Where's the GPU? Activity monitor. Show activity monitor.
Yeah.
GPU 6%. So 3JS mainly targets the GPU for render. So 6%. It's minimal, dude. Where
Are
is
you sure it's
Firefox
the
web
percentage?
content? Like,
Okay,
just
let me open this in
Firefox.
Safari then. Let me open this in Safari. Let's see what's Safari. Anything but Chrome. Fuck. No Chrome for me. Safari's gone on their game lately, guys. I know you guys don't think Safari's good, but see, look, no little things left over. See,
What? How's that?
because I'm telling you, dude, Safari's gotten better.
Okay.
It's Apple. Come on, everything's better.
Uh-huh.
Can you like keep it side by side?
Activity monitor and this one.
It's like a Windows and right arrow key or something like that.
They don't have Windows. They have command option something. Guess. Okay, 3.8. And where is it? 2.5.
So see what we're doing
Okay,
right
that's
now.
good.
What we're doing
That's
right
good.
now. What we're doing right now, guys, means that we would have to be like scientists almost, and we'd have to test each browser. That's what they told me. That's what they told me in the community.
Yes, we'll have to
The
do that.
community, unfortunately, you have to take time and you have to test each browser and then write down your static statistics. So obviously, Firefox is not happy with animation.
3D, yes. 3D,
Dude,
especially 3D.
this is taking 93%. See
But isn't
that?
this a video? I thought we were gonna make this a video like Bloom. Isn't that what this is supposed to be?
No, this is not a video. And when
Why
you
is it not?
scroll,
though?
because when you can move this one, yeah, when you just shake your mouse, the model is gonna rotate around, like the camera.
Where?
You see like the our homepage right now, the coming soon page, how the camera is moving. Something like that will happen for this. That was the idea, right?
Yes, something like that. Or any other good
Imagine
subtle
it-
animation.
Imagine the this needs to be bigger, by the way. This animation
Yeah,
needs to be
we
bigger.
can do that. Possible.
It's too much. It's just too. First off, it's way too much at the bottom, and it's just too cool of an animation to be at the bottom. I just feel like it needs to be up more. I mean, I don't know. I just.
Okay.
What do you guys think? Because look, let's look at this. Like, let's imagine
At the
you're.
hero content.
Look at all this. Look how far you have to go up right now. Do you think anyone's gonna even want to read all this yet? Like,
Nope.
look at all this shit. Look, we're still going, dude. Look at this. That's way too long. Like, I thought it was gonna be like salt and pepper, where when you get on the website, that animation was gonna be right at the top. That's what I thought was gonna happen.
Yeah, we had that in the beginning.
That's what I thought. Yeah. What happened?
Dude,
Yeah,
I
not
think the
design change.
bloom is gonna keep up, and
That looks great. Look at that.
I'll you wait, you just have a look at that. Can you go back to the
You
contact?
see how good that
page?
looked? You guys see how good that looked? Watch. Wait, hang on.
Go to the which one? The animation.
No, just watch. That looks really. I love the purple like that. Like, watch. Boom.
Yeah, hit let's go. Just hit let's go.
I love it.
Next one, absolutely.
Oh, nice.
Let's talk.
Welcome to Emmy, Sean.
That's what Tarun put in Figma.
But why?
It's
Sean?
dummy data, dude. It's dummy data. For now.
But why would it? I know,
Haven't
but why
communicated.
wouldn't it just be so it's gonna know people's names like that?
Because you enter your name in the first card, right?
Oh, okay. Good job. I love that. So
Just hit let's talk. You want, you can play with the pickers, preferred date, hit on the calendar thing. You can
I don't
change
like.
it
Why is
here.
this blue though? We can't change this though, huh? The blue.
Okay, I'll try that. I'll do
Do
that.
you think we can? I think it would look good if this was gradient like this purple. What do you think? Probably,
I'll try
right?
that.
What do you think? I don't know.
I doubt solid colors only. Let's see.
Okay, if it is, then let's try to get this pink. I think that honestly, like probably like that or like that. One of those.
Okay.
I love see how it turned pink. See how this turns pink. I love that. Like I love that. See how that turns pink like that. That looks sick. And then it just kind of throws me off when I do that, and then it's just blue. You know what I mean? Doesn't really make sense. Other than that, man, this is really good. I like it. But our mobile is lacking. But I'm glad that we're changing it. Did he tell you what his idea was, by the way?
Which one? The animation.
Yeah, I heard it. Yeah. Well, guys, actually, I know you guys are tired. What do you guys get some sleep?
Yeah, then we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Yeah, why don't you guys get some sleep real quick, and then we can talk. If you guys can just please try to think of maybe. I know you guys have a lot of other shit to think about, but if you guys play the card games, by the way, do you guys play like that stuff like Dungeons and Dragons or like anything similar to like card games?
Like not online, dude. We play like
No, not online. You don't have to think about online. Don't even think about online. Just
yeah,
think
we play Uno. I play Uno.
about the Uno. Okay, think about the concept then, right? Even with Uno, it's the same concept. Maybe think of things that maybe I know it's complicated, but we don't have to make it complicated. I think we're just kind of overthinking it. I'm just saying, I just kind of feel like, man, this isn't gonna do anything. I think that what's going on, I'm gonna start recording. That means some shit's about to be said. I think that what's going on, I think that Eli is trying to rush to just get this done, just so he can start making, oh fuck.